Hey Devas, what are you doing?
I've been checking for internship platform all the morning, but nothing interesting is available.
Tell me about it because I'm also able to find the best suited internship for me on the PM internship portal.
Players got to a better way to find internship, something that's of all opportunities and can be accessible in multiple languages.
Yeah, nowadays it is extremely difficult to find a suitable internship for us.
Yes, I'm facing the same problem. What do we do now?
If you're facing similar issues that these guys were just discussing, don't worry. Team Synapse has got your back. We are presenting you Prashikshanam, an AI-based internship recommendation portal designed specifically for students for smart recommendation. There are various internship portals that do not offer what a student needs in altogether. As in, they do not offer multilingual support system, or they offer filter-based system, which enforces a student to apply the filter multiple times in order to get their desired output.
On the other hand, various websites provide only available internships, but here we are to bridge the gap between the skills and the opportunities.
Wow, it's a great platform for us.
Yes, it seems to be a nice platform.
Now let's take a look at Prashikshanam.
Let me walk you through our website Prashikshanam, an AI-powered recommendation system for the PM internship scheme. At the very top, you will notice a simple and clean navigation bar. It contains 5 sections: Home, About, Support, Login, and Employer Portal. The home page introduces our mission and highlights its mission to connect students with the right internship. The About page explains the core idea behind our solution, that why one have to choose the Prashikshanam over all other platforms to get the correct recommendation according to their interest. The support page helps users to get guidance and resolve queries. There is also a feature of chatbot where students can ask their queries and get the relevant answers for all their queries, such as any technical doubt or any doubt in applying the internship. If we ask the chatbot how to apply for the internship, it gives us the steps to register for the internships, like register on PM internship portal, complete profile, browse opportunities, and apply. Then there is a login page where students can log in, or if a student does not have account on our website, the user can register and create account accurately, and the data should be secured and stored in a well-behaved manner in our website in our database. And there is also a portal for the employer where employer can enter their credentials and log in as employer to update the CSV data file so that more opportunities get added to our website. Core functionality of our platform is that now let's talk about main engine of our website. When students register, they enter details such as their skills. Here are the application form for the students. Our machine learning model then processes this data and recommend the most suitable internship. We use a combination of context-based filtering and collaborative filtering. In the Explore Internship option, there is a page for the recommended internship where students can see their recommended internship on based of their match percentage. If the match percentage is too high, there will be chances that there are no recommendation for the internship. As you can see here, if the students are matching its data 100%, then there are no internship recommendation for the students, as it is not possible for majorly users that their data match 100%. And the student, if interested in any of the internship, the user can view all the details related to that internship, so that it can apply to our website, through our website or any other portal, to gain the correct opportunities. The way students don't just get random options, they get personalized and smart recommendation. India is culturally diverse, so to make our platform inclusive, we have added multi-language support. Students can access the platform in their own regional language, whether that's Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Marathi, or any other regional language of India. We had mainly added 10 languages here, and there is a scope of adding more languages as our site get to every corner of the India. Let's also talk about the tech stack. Front-end is mainly built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, enhanced using React for a fast, dynamic, and responsive user interface. Backend powered by Node.js, Express.js, which handle all server-side operations smoothly. Database, you use MongoDB and NoSQL database to securely store user login and prestation data. While our currently system is already powerful, we are planning to introduce several innovations in the future. ATS score integration: when students upload their resume, the system will calculate an applicant tracking system score to show how well their resume aligns with the specific internship. Resume Builder, an AI-powered tool to help students create professional resume tailored to the internship they want to apply for. Advanced collaborative filtering: currently our model recommends based on the skills and preferences. In the future, if one student likes or applies for internship, the system will recommend it to other students with similar profiles. Feedback system. We are also willing to add the feedback system to our website. Students will be able to give feedback on the recommendation they receive. This feedback will improve the AI model over time. Certification suggestions. If a student's match percentage is below a certain level, the system will suggest relevant online certifications or courses they can take. Completing these certifications will improve their profile and boost their chances of securing an internship. Provide personalized AI-based recommendation, ensure fairness and inclusive through multi-language support. Uses the modern tech stack for security, scalability and performance. Empowers students not only to find internship, but also to upskill themselves for better opportunities. It's more than just a recommendation engine. It's a step towards equal access, career growth, and smarter skill development under the PM internship scheme. Thank you for exploring our solution. With AI, accessibility, and continuous innovation, we are working to make internship allocation in India more intelligent, inclusive, and impactful. Thank you.